Welcome to Titan's troubleshooting video for the Elite Series sprayers. In this video, you'll learn how to replace the inlet and outlet valves. We will use the Elite 3000 for demonstration, but all three models have the same parts, just in different sizes and configurations. You'll want to perform this procedure if you notice the sprayer is not priming, or you experience a complete loss of pressure and the valves cannot be cleaned. First, using a wrench, loosen and remove the siphon tube. Second, again using a wrench, loosen and remove the inlet pusher assembly. Next, use a small screwdriver or pick to remove the retainer clip. Now use a pair of groove joint pliers to twist and pull the inlet valve out of the pusher assembly. Do not pry the valve from the housing or you will damage it. Using your pick, remove the inlet seal from the pusher housing and clean any debris from the housing that may have accumulated. Now you're ready to install your new inlet valve. First up, install the new inlet seal into the pusher housing. Please note that your new seal may not come in the same color as your old seal. They can vary. Next, install your new inlet valve and fully seat it inside the pusher assembly. Now reinstall your retainer clip. You will also need to remove the valve's second seal from the pump block. Use your pick to get this one out as well. Clean any debris from the pump block area that may have accumulated and install the new seal into the pump block. Next, reinstall your pusher assembly and torque to 66 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the siphon tube and tighten. Next, using a wrench, loosen and remove the outlet valve assembly. Now use a right-angle pick to remove the seal from inside the pump block where the outlet valve was located. Clean any debris from the pump block area that may have accumulated and make sure the integrity of the surface behind the seal is not damaged. Now install your new seal. Make sure the inner diameter step-down section of this seal is facing out of the pump block when installed. Finally, install your new outlet valve assembly and torque to 44 foot-pounds. If one or both valves are replaced, the sprayer should be pressured up and depressurized. This will firmly seat the valves. Now retorque each valve that was replaced, ensuring they will not come loose or leak. Thanks for watching Titan's troubleshooting video for the Elite Series sprayers. If you have additional questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.